flooding already. Okay. Looks like I see a lot of tree damage, a lot of branches broken, scattered all over. Looks like they had some, probably some severe wind gusts come through here. Got some tree damage. I just saw a tree just laying on the side right now, but I'm not going to go and look at it. I'm just going to get the hell out of here. Didn't take out any power, interesting. Okay, we got more flood. Oh, come on. Wow. Yeah, here we go. There's some, no, god damn you. There's some major wall. It's like a river coming down. The power line is lying across the road, both sides of the road. Let's see, the power line is, the power pole itself is completely shattered. Completely shattered. Fire crews are blocking. I see if I can zoom in on the power pole that's shattered. That's it right there. What I'm trying to do is, a lot of the cars are going around. They're taking a little sidestep around this. If these guys in front of me would just be bold enough to do the same thing, I'm going to be able to. Yeah, they're doing it. There's a little like a frontage thing. Everybody's going around it, so stay tuned. Yeah, power line snapped. Took out a tree along with it. Yeah, they had it was most likely a microburst that came through here. So anyway, here's where we are all going. It's actually not even electrical, it's just data cable. It's like fiber and cable. Oh my god, the flood. The flood. It's a huge flood. Wow. Oh my god, there's debris coming down. they're gonna shut the road down. It is absolutely a major flash flood. Got mate. Oh, come on, Will, what are you doing? I still see flowing water. Oh my gosh, there are homes flooded. I just drove by. Rushing water just going right through the homes. I just saw like water coming through the door of a house. Oh my gosh. All right, that was pretty weird.